traffic with this, and this extra pedal is a lot of work. This calf muscle, look at it, boom, jacked. Dave, do not back up into my car, you son of a... I was just telling the audience, all the DD fam, how much fun it is to drive a manual Murcielago in traffic.
That's why the P1 does not come down here.
I almost got hit twice coming down here. We are here at McLaren. What's up, you guys? We told you that we were gonna make a video how to spec a highly limited edition supercar from a manufacturer. So we've gone ahead, now that we're big McLaren guys. Huge. Probably the biggest, you know, McLaren collectors in the world. We did put in an application to be able to get a 765 LT. Now, who knows? I'm loving the 720S so much. We're doing a crazy build. We're gonna build the world's first, what I'm gonna call 720 GTR. But what if we went ahead and got one of these bad boys? You do have to be a preferred McLaren client to even be able to get an allocation. Dave and I decided to submit an application.
We did.
And Wilson's gonna walk us through how, if we get approved next week, how we spec a 765 LT. So let's do this. First of all, that's a really crazy big touchscreen, my man.
Start with the exterior.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What do you think? Yeah.
I think that's cool. What are the brightest colors you have? Let's start with the paint. Elite lime green. That's really sick.
Not bad. Now, Nardo orange is one of the launch color.
Oh, that's the launch color you see all over the internet.
Yeah, internet, all the car magazine. McLaren Formula 1 car.
Yeah.
Bring back the papaya spark.
Oh, that's one of my favorites.
That's papaya.
There we go.
It's a really rich orange with a lot of sparkle in it. We have a ceramic gray.
Oh, that's cool.
This is a little darker tone.
Yeah.
And the real color actually have a slight purple tint in it.
I like that. Let's start with that base. The white on RP1, you were saying, what's that actual official paint color
That
called?
one is actually a very long name. It's called Alaskan Diamond White MSO specification.
That's crazy. Do you know how many P1s were ever painted in that color?
In Canada, I can guarantee you that's the only one.
Only one.
So let's play with the wheels.
All right.
After we did the exterior.
Yes.
4 different levels. You get platinum, stealth with laser etch branding.
Oh, that's cool.
There's a branding on it.
Yeah.
So
that's
the
cool.
etching right here.
Yeah.
Right. Diamond cut, so it's almost like an alternate.
Yep. I saw that. That's on the press car that you see on the internet.
So when the wheel's actually moving,
yeah,
it looks like a 5-spoke. And then you can go gloss black, like if somebody like the shiny gloss black.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I think I like the gloss black.
Yeah.
Right. Take the caliper. Look at the choice of...
Holy. Let's do liquid silver. Look at that. You guys, liquid silver calipers.
Yeah. Sorry, I got a really important phone call, guys. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
So actually change the seat to the...
Now we got the Senna style seats.
Senna style seat.
Carbon buckets.
Cup Sport Pro Pack. It gives you the roll cage in the back.
So you got the tie roll cage now in the back.
Better to sit in the back.
Oh, that's cool.
Hey, look, you guys, I apologize. I lied a little bit. There's no conference call. I just want to come in the car and play Raid Shadow Legends, which also happens to be sponsoring today's video. Imagine that. Crazy graphics, crazy gameplay. You guys, this game is super addicting. As you can tell, I'm sitting in my Lamborghini. More entertained by Raid Shadow Legends than driving fast. If you're the guy that loves dark, epic fantasies, well, then you're going to absolutely love Raid Shadow Legends. Click the link in my description, download Raid absolutely free right now, and it's available for both mobile and PC. You're covered. Raid has 16 different factions such as orcs, dwarves, undead hordes, and many more. Each faction is made up of many unique champions. The swordsman's my favorite champion. Check this out. Check out the graphics. Check out the badass in his eyes. This guy means business. This guy has epic skills. He attacks one enemy 2 times and has a 30% chance of placing a 30% debuff for 2 turns. Check out the pikeman. Look at this thing. Imagine getting stabbed with that. He's got a little fire going on there. He's having a good time. Now, some of his skills include attacks one enemy, has a 15% chance of placing a freeze debuff for 1 turn. This guy freezes people? He is cold. Look at those. Look at the face. Look at the graphics. That's crazy. This is a game on my iPhone, sitting on the steering wheel of my Lamborghini. Raid just released a huge champion update, tweaking and rebalancing over 20 different champions to make PvP arena battles even more competitive. And if that's not enough, the Forge just came out, so you can now save time, start crafting top quality artifacts, and competing right away. So you can find me under the username Dave_DDE. If you're a new player, you will get 100,000 silver and 50 gems plus 10 mystery shards and 1 free champion, the Hexweaver, which is a really awesome champion that you can usually only get after playing the game for quite a while. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. You guys, click the link in the description, download Raid right now, just get in the game. Look me up, Dave_DDE. I gotta get back in there and solve Damon spending so much money specking that car. We don't need carbon fiber freaking toilet paper, Damon.
Black tips. There we go.
tips.
Now we're talking.
You want to raise up the spoiler.
It's
The
black
spoiler
too.
hose is black too.
Opposed to it being metallic.
Yeah.
Oh, we
Yeah,
definitely need that.
Yeah. If you pick every possible carbon fiber option, you could save 85 kilogram over the 720S.
That's amazing.
That's the vehicle savings.
Now we're on to
The rear diffuser,
carbon.
carbon. You can have the whole diffuser is carbon. It looks
This is really aggressive because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fins and then the outside fins. There you go.
standard quite a bit.
Look how far it's extended. It actually has almost like that P1-esque kind of lip design to it. Look how far I've come along. So I have full carbon fiber front splitter. I have carbon all down the sides, all the side skirts and everything. We got the carbon T up top here. I have Senna seats,
Yeah.
race harnesses, titanium harness bar,
That's really cool.
right? And then back here, we did the stealth pack, blacked out tips, and we have blacked out uprights instead of the aluminum look. And this is all carbon. So far we've got this thing looking pretty specced out, but I believe there's more.
If you want to go all out,
Wait, you get carbon
you
hood.
can get carbon hood.
Yeah.
The more the bad boy look.
Bad one. There you go.
Like that.
Oh.
Oh, roof scoop.
Who wants a roof scoop? Me.
There you go.
Yes.
Will be look like
That's a non-negotiable, my friend.
Yes. Look at that.
piping going through, split into the two, and go into the intake.
Look at that. Oh, that's amazing. That is so cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love
Oh,
it.
here, this is the big one.
The active rear spoiler. Yeah. The stealth pack. This car's looking pretty mean. Wilson, this car would look good on the streets, wouldn't it? Look at this, you guys. We're gonna jump in the car and show you guys what it looks like with some of this, how you can spec the seats and all the accents. So all the Alcantara and the inserts. The seats are crazy. Look at this.
The
You get the harness.
6-point harness.
6-point harness.
Now we change it to the orange,
Orange.
perforated, and then you see how the stitching carried all the way to the back.
Yep. Seatbelts, orange to go with the trim and the exterior calipers.
Steering wheel tight.
So many things to modify when you're
Oh,
stuck
it's
in a car.
endless.
It's insane.
Is this bright?
I had no idea.
Boom.
Oh, that's cool.
That is cool. So now you got the 12 o'clock ring in gray Alcantara, dove gray as it's called.
Yes.
Oh, orange harnesses.
Pop, or you
They
want
do
to
pop.
have a little bit of a
I like that.
orange and blue, McLaren orange and blue. Like
That looks good.
Yeah. Something a little different and tribute to our Formula One team,
Yep.
right?
Okay, let's go with it. Blue harnesses.
Yep, sign me up.
And if you worry about getting thirsty,
You can put the drink feature like the Senna in here.
push to drink system.
That is so sick.
need
So
that.
you get a water bottle and you put it in upside down and you have a push to drink system
Connect
in your
to your
helmet, inside your helmet, so you can, gotta stay hydrated. Being hydrated is very important. This is a cool spec. I'm liking this.
And the very last thing is, do you want air conditioning?
Yes.
Biggest question.
Yes.
Right?
You want to drive this thing in Southern California when the borders
be a
finally
great
open?
track
Or
car.
even Kelowna? I'll tell you, Wilson, you ever go to Kelowna, it gets hot. When you're done with all this, does it tell you how much this car is? For fun, let's find out the current DDE 765 LT with Wilson's help ended up being. Any guesses? What do you think?
What's MSRP base?
Yeah, what's it
It's
start
about
at?
410 Canadian.
410.
Yeah.
We're probably like
I'm gonna say 550. 580?
580.
I'm gonna say 550. Well, hey man, thank you so much.
Thanks, man.
Thank you guys for coming along on this journey and seeing how it is possible if you get an allocation, you could come and get this special treatment. They can take it a step further. So let's say there are some things on here that you really need to see to make the decision. So over here, actually get hands-on and see some of the paint samples because they have things like carbon fiber, right? All here for you to touch. Bunch of special, look at this. We got crazy purples. Here is that McLaren. Oh, that's the Papaya Spark.
That's right.
Ceramic gray. I like that. This is what we had. We had ceramic gray on the 765 LT in the configurator right here. This is what we had. But look at all the colors you can choose from. That's like some funky bright yellow. You guys have 600 LT right here. So we can show these would be the carbon Senna style seats. And then of course we had an orange lap belt. We had blue harnesses and then a tie bar that went in behind. But essentially you get a really good idea of the quality of the materials. McLaren stuff is so refined now. And when you get, you know, carbon bucket race seats like this, the design of them is super comfortable. It's not what you would think. These not only, in my opinion, look better than the carbon seats in Dave's Squadra Corsa, they actually feel a lot better. Dave's seats are from a generation of when I think they cared a little less about the comfort, and now they're building these things and they're just absolutely amazing. So pretty excited to see if we get a car, my man. We'll find out next week. You guys need to stay tuned. This was a lot of fun. If you guys want to jump in on the fun, I'd be curious to see what your spec is. So you can actually go, there'll be a link in description to a configurator for the 765LT, and you can configure your very own spec. It's a lot of fun. Take a screenshot or download and upload it to Instagram and tag DDE765LT as a hashtag, and we'll check it out along with Daily Driven Exotics. Tag us, and we want to see your spec. We'll give you an announcement if we get an allocation. If we get an allocation, we'll do the full-on hardcore DDE real spec. We got the warmer upper.
Are we gonna show them what we spec the car at? We'll add that in after.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for your time.
Hey, our pleasure. Can't wait. I really hope we get this car. What are you buying now?
Can I have this jacket, Damien?
It's actually a really cool
Will
jacket.
you personally buy this for me?
No, I will not personally buy it.
Personal taxed income. Add this to the list of stuff.
It looks a little big on you. It might fit me better. A little more muscles, you know?
I want to see where actually, you never wear cool stuff like this. You would dress like a 45-year-old father of 17.
Whoa. Whoa.
I think it's a little style on you. Big man, small jacket.
Fits him.
See?
On that jacket.
Smash the subscribe button. Join the DD fam. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hold on. That's a lot bigger than your truck.
No, it's the same thing.
That is a lot bigger than your truck.
4-inch lift is the same thing in the end. I'm not bringing my truck near that thing.
Okay, let's roll.